Mabuhay! Wonderful day! Welcome to Mother's Wonderland!
Mabuhay! Wonderful afternoon, everyone. So, I'm Miss Carla. How did it started? So, nag-i-enjoy lang talaga kami to build something, no? For the family at first. Kasi we are a big family. So, mahilig kaming magsama-sama. So, we are building something lang that we like. And then, may mga nagsasuggest na, why don't you open it sa public? So hanggang sa napag-usapan, we want to contribute something para sa mga Quezonians, hanggang nabuo ang Mother's Wonderland. We love nature, we love bonding. So that's where it started. Now we have to open it sa public and we want to give something for the Quezonians. At gusto din nating makilala ang Quezon Province, Tayabas, na may magandang pasyalan. So hanggang nabuo ang Mother's Wonderland. So what can we offer? We have the Gaia's Palace. So sa Gaia's Palace, we have the restaurant there, the bar. Doon, meron tayong all-day breakfast. And then sa activities naman, pwede sila doon na mag-golf, mini-golf. We have mini-golf there. Tapos nandun din si Mother Gaia. It's 36 meters high, 116 steps going up. Doon, may mga makikita ka going up, madami kang makikita, mabubusog ang mga mata mo. Meron ding water element sa ilalim. Tapos makikita mo yung 300 degrees ng buong Lucena, Tayabas pag umakyat ka on top. Second is the Magical Hillside. There, meron tayong Pugon Pizza na pwede silang kumain ng pizza and pasta. So ano to, pugon. Sa pugon talaga siya niluluto. And then we also have their boating. We have Tunnel of Lights, dance studio, and then the Habit House. So doon more on, yung mga bata talaga yung mag-enjoy doon sa boating, doon sa Habit House. Kasi para talaga siyang bahay ng habit. And then doon sa dance studio naman, it's like parang bar, madilim. At the same time, pwede ka mag-zumba nang parang walang nakatingin sa'yo. May instructor doon na pwede kang magsayaw all day if you want. The third one is the Animal Rendezvous, which is meron tayo dong snake. Nandun ang Burmese python natin na si Ringo. So, pwede silang magpa-picture doon. And we also have mga rabbits doon sa side ng Skeletor. And then the fourth one is the Aquatica. Nandyan yung pwede kang mag-swimming. And then we have there the cultural show at 2:30 p.m. And then meron tayo dong barko. We offer non-alcoholic and alcoholic drinks. So doon naman sa loob ng glacier, meron tayo doon na basketball hoops, meron tayo doon wall climbing, bouldering, and a lot more. And then the fifth one is the Cinque Terre Culinaria, which is our main dining restaurant. And then the sixth one is the Alhambra Kingdom. Sa baba nun, we have our museum. And then, dun sa taas, meron tayong events hall, which is a chapel in the Alhambra. And then the seventh one is the Gat Gubat. Meron kaming coffee shop, Severiana Cafe at Tablea. And then here we have wall climbing, we have the gypsy, and we also have events place dito, which is the Rafael. We also have massage. We also have board games, the napping room, para yung mga napagod na they can sleep any time of the day. We have bed and breakfast here in Mother's Wonderland para sa mga guests natin na gustong magstay here overnight. Pwede din kami mag-cater ng mga events, baptismal, wedding, all occasion. Meron pa kaming ginagawa na dormitory type na pwedeng mag-accommodate ng groups and para pwede kayo dito mag-retreat or seminars, trainings, and all at a very, very low price. Very happy kami when we see happy people. We love our staffs so much. We treat them as our own family. So, yung gusto namin makita, ang sarap ng pakiramdam na makakita ka ng masasayang mga tao at the same time, at the same place. Yun ang goal namin. Dati kasi we always band together, yung family namin. Gusto namin experience din yun ng mga taga Quezon or mga from other places. So gusto namin mapa-experience sa mga visitors namin, sa mga guests namin. Mapapansin mo, pag-apak mo pa lang ng Mother's Wonderland, parang bisitang-bisita ang pakiramdam nyo, di ba? We treat our guests very warmly. Talagang parang personal namin kayong bisita. So ang goal namin is makapag-build talaga ng memories yung family na pupunta dito. So dito, we want to have good memories, bonding ng family, together with magandang nature kasi makikita mo napakadaming puno dito. It can relax your mind. So ang gusto natin, pang-relax, pang-enjoy, and to build happy memories. Hello everyone! We are inviting you to come and visit us here at Mother's Wonderland. I can promise you na mag-enjoy po kayo. Together with our friendly staffs, we will be happy all together. So what are you waiting for? Come here at Mother's Wonderland.